Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you are. I am still in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, and this is because of the borders that are closed around Tanzania because of COVID-19. So today's video that I want to make is about Jacinda Ardern. Now, I don't know if that's how you pronounce her name, because quite honestly, I don't really bother about what goes on in New Zealand. My bad. But I guess I don't think New Zealanders bother about what goes on in South Africa, for example. So I guess it's fair, right? Okay, so the reason I want to make this video about her specifically is because of just the portrayal of her in the media, and something that happened in 2018 that already bothered me about her. Yeah, I'm bothered about her. It's an old story, but I want to bring that up. Okay, so this lady has a lot of accolades to her name. She is the 40th Prime Minister of New Zealand. Also one of the youngest world leaders, the second one to have given birth while a world leader. The first one was Benazir Bhutto. Love that woman. And but you can check it out on the internet. Everything about her is there. Her biography is there, and I'm sure most of you know about her. Okay, so but what I want to talk about is in 2018, she took her baby to the UN meeting. Now, I don't know how old the baby was at that time, because, you know, this is how much research I've done about this, which is not a good thing if I'm going to make this kind of video. But anyway, from the pictures, it looks like it was a 3-month-old baby. She took the baby to the UN meeting. Now, I'm not going to read why she did it or whatever, because that's not what I want to talk about. I want to talk about women, the modern woman. Now, Miss Ardern, because she's not married, is supposed to be the epitome of the modern woman who has it all. Now, of course, I also have to read my notes, because this is how I do things, right? The epitome of the modern woman who has it all. Career, child, partner, because she's not married, because normally we would also say marriage, but she's not married. But you know, the modern woman doesn't have to be married, doesn't have to have one partner either, can have many, of all different sexes. So that's the modern woman, okay? But what I want to talk about is, like, for me, the definition of modern woman is a woman who is educated and emancipated. Okay? Now, because this is my video, so I'm talking about my opinions. So my opinion is that a modern woman is educated and emancipated. But I have issue with her, because I think with her taking her baby to this UN meeting, she is failing miserably as a modern woman who has it all. And I say she's failing in 3 areas. Area number 1, as a mother, she is failing. Now, why do I say that? I shall read. Well, it's points, so I'll have to read and then make the point. First of all, as a mother, the first priority should be the safety and comfort of your child. Because remember, we are modern women, we are educated, so we know safety and comfort is very important to an infant, especially 3 months, at 3 months of age. Okay, so taking this child, because I'm looking at the picture there, she's there, there's people around her, he's sitting there, I don't even know if it's a boy or a girl, but anyway, the baby's sitting there looking all cute, cute, cute. Everyone's like, ah, about the baby. It's a room full of people. It's a UN meeting from all over the world. So, is that a safe environment for a baby? No. No. Because it's unhygienic. Duh. It's not a calm environment. It's not baby friendly, obviously, because it's a meeting for adults. So we don't expect it to be baby friendly. So I don't know how people can admire this about her, because people admired her for taking her baby to work, because she said, I am something about, it's not in this article, it's the other one, something about I am lucky that I can take my child to work. Yeah, a lot of people are lucky they can take their children to work. But the thing is, it's the environment. And this environment is not a baby-friendly environment. And I say she fails here because as a mother, your first priority should be the safety and comfort of your child. How can a child be comfortable in that kind of environment? Right? I need to write something here because I was just thinking about it. Right, second thing. So already failing. Okay, next thing. She fails as a woman. Okay, woman per se. Why do I say this? Now everyone's upset. How dare she say that? I dare because this is my video I'm making, right? And if you have anything else to say, please feel free to comment below. Okay, it's a free world. Free speech is still a thing. Right. So the first thing about mother is because we are educated, so we know. We've learned about, we go for postnatal courses about how to take care of your child, blah, blah, blah. Second one, woman. So us women, we are emancipated. Right. So when I see her doing this, I feel that her life is not in order. Her life is not organized. Because if her life was organized, because her life is her home life and then her career. So you have to be able to organize as an emancipated, educated woman. You must be able to organize your home life and your career. Because these are two different things and they are both very important. I wouldn't say they are equally important because I'm not that kind of woman, but some women are. But just for this video, let's say they are equally important. Home life and career. So, because for me, if she was a very organized person and her life was in order, she would not have to take her baby to that meeting. Because an organized woman will call a babysitter. You can pay one. How long is that meeting? You pay a baby, because if you are there, you are living in a hotel. Every hotel has that service. Even if they don't have the service, you can look through the yellow pages and there will be a babysitting service. You can call the babysitter to take care of your baby while you are doing whatever you're supposed to be doing. That's what I would call organizational skills, right? Okay, let's just, for argument's sake, because, we cannot trust babysitters, we don't know them. Why can you not bring a family member with you? I'm sure that she has a lot of family members and a partner as well who would be very happy to come on the trip because, it's a free trip. And they can take care of the baby while she is doing what she's supposed to be doing. Other thing is, what about friends? Doesn't she have friends, or doesn't her partner have friends that can come along to take care of her baby while she is doing that? Because I know I have a lot of friends who would come with me, and even at their own expense, just so that they can hang out with me. But maybe because she doesn't have friends, that she's not popular in that sense, that she will have friends that will just want to, as we say in Malaysia, lepak with her. Failing miserably as a woman. No family, no friends, can't organize to get a babysitter. Lastly, if you have a husband, because he's not working, he can stay in the room and take care of the baby while she goes out and works. That's what husbands are for. Oh yeah, but in her case, she doesn't have a husband. She has a partner. So she's also failing there as a woman, as far as I'm concerned, is because you see, when you have a husband, you have a contract, so you can control who does what and what. Because it's a contract. When I work, you take care of the baby. When you work, I take care of something like that. But if it's just a partner, of course, obviously, you cannot want any commitment, because there is no legal document. Like even in a business, we always have a contract. We have a contract so that we can get that person to commit to our company, to our business, say to the relationship. So that's why I say she fails miserably as a woman. She's not organized. Right? Third thing. She is the leader of a first world country. And here is where I feel she fails the most. Because if you are the leader of a first world country, you are failing because it seems that there is no policy in place to assist single mothers who work. So there's no policy in place to assist the working single mother. What is that? If there is no budget or policy that can even assist her as the leader of the country with this issue, what about the rest of the women in the nation who are not as fortunate as her, who don't have money, who don't have partners, husbands, or any of that? If she can't even help herself, she is failing miserably. And I don't know why people look up to her, especially young women. We put her up there like she's this wonderful person. Yes, maybe she is in certain things. Because there are layers to people. It doesn't mean just because you do something wrong in one area that we have to nullify all the other things. But in this area, she is failing miserably as a modern woman who has it all. She is failing miserably because she is showing that she is not modern and she does not have it all. Anyway, that's just my take on her. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, subscribe. Please leave comments. I love comments. I love communication, because to me, when people don't comment, when they don't say anything, it means I am right. And then those same people want to turn around and tell me, you always think you're right. Yes, I always think I'm right because I don't get feedback saying that I'm wrong. So, cheers and have a very good day.